Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to blur part of your video here in CapCut. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is add a video to our timeline. Let's add this one in. And from here we want to select the area we'd like to blur. So let's go to here and we want to click this button which is called split. Let's press Ctrl P. And then scroll up to the bit where we'd like the blur to end. Let's go right here and again press split or Ctrl B. Now we want to click this, click the section, and from here we then want to go up to effects and we want to look for blur. So if I type in blur, also we have different options that we can apply. We can also click on them and it will show us a brief look at what it would look like. So we've got this one, we have this one, and we also have this one as well. Okay. I quite like the look of this one. Let's go for this one. And all we need to do is then drag and drop over the clip we'd like it to apply to. That is all you need to do. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.